Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a video on Fetch.Ai or Fet. I'll refer to it as both in this video, all right? Just so you know. But I wanted to make a quick video on this because I should have made a video on this way earlier. The thing is that I was and still am kind of sour on Fetch, all right? Because I missed a lot of buy signals down here, all right? I saw it on Thursday the 8th when it actually broke above this 50 EMA. I was thinking of potentially buying it right here. All right, so that would have been an amazing trade. I did not buy it. All right, and I thought about buying it multiple other times. I did not buy it. So yeah, that's just very stupid of me because I saw some other big analysts that I follow and that I trust. I saw them buying it way down lower when you had those rumors about financial problems around Fetch.Ai, which is usually a buy signal. If there's big problems, if big problems come out about a project, a lot of people buy. It's sell the rumor, buy the news in that circumstance. But overall, I mean, obviously, with everything that's happening around OpenAI, Fetch has always been one of the biggest performers in the AI narrative. When people think about the AI narrative, look, if you go to CoinMarketCap, which most of retail does, and you look at categories and you look up AI and big data, what's one of the first coins you'll see? It's Fetch, right? Other projects, I mean, but okay, I don't know why Injective, Near, and Internet Computer are here. But all right, Fetch.Ai is one of the first real AI projects you'll see there. So that's just one of the best performers there is. And the AI narrative is absolutely popping off right now, so that helps Fetch a lot. It also has some great backing, so altogether it's just a perfect storm right now. So that's also why I still wanted to do an update on it right now, because I'll switch to the daily time frame in a moment, and you'll see that we're actually at a very important level. I do want to let you know, though, as well, that there is quite a lot of shady volume around Fetch. All right, so even though there are good reasons to explain why Fetch is bullish, it's not all... well, I wanted to say something in Dutch, but that doesn't work. But it's not all as beautiful as it seems. All right, there are some things that are quite shady, and we all look. Fetch has had some big drops in the past as well, so be careful for that. But right now, technically, the main thing I wanted to talk about is that on the daily, we're trying to break above this major resistance level at around 88 and 90 cents. That's the main resistance level right now. If we break above that, we can actually go into all-time high territory. All right, so then I'm talking about $1, 1.05, and ultimately 1.15 and 1.25. Is that realistic? Yes, it's realistic and it's possible. But for now, it just depends on two things. And I'll tell you what things. Look, ultimately, we would want to break above 90 cents. If Fetch breaks above 90 cents, then it really becomes a possibility. Because if Fetch right now breaks above 90 cents, we'll head up to $1 and 1.05. We'll find resistance there, but then just technically Fetch is very strong. I don't expect Fetch new all-time highs for Fetch in the short run, but a breakout like that would certainly help us. Now, the main question now, though, is that we are getting quite some bearish momentum for Bitcoin. So the main question I would say is, all right, what's Bitcoin going to do here? Is Bitcoin going to drop down lower? And what does that mean for Fetch? Because Fetch has been very bullish. But what you can also see, and what I wanted to show you, is that right now the open interest has increased massively, but there is a bit of a divergence. Like open interest has dropped down, price has gone up, that's a divergence. And then apart from that, which I also wanted to show you, is that the funding rates are getting quite high. So that means it gets quite costly and quite pricey to actually hold long positions. So in general, I expect some bearish momentum here. And then the main question is not can we break above 90 cents? It's can we hold 83 cents? If the answer is yes, if we can hold that, if we find support there and we can kind of consolidate here, all right, then I think we'll break above 90 and rally up higher towards the dollar. But at this moment, I would kind of prepare a little bit more for the fact that Fetch drops down to that level and that the bearish momentum stays in the markets, so that will drop down a bit lower. After which we'll consolidate here on top of like 75 cents, consolidate, and I still would think that eventually we would break out again and rally up to $1. So I'm still bullish on Fetch, but at this moment, I think it's a bit more likely, also given the fact of how strong 90 cents as a resistance level is, that will have a bit of a pullback. Essentially, it all depends on how we react to 83 cents. So keep an eye on that, know that, keep that in mind. But I would prepare a bit more for something like this. I think this is in general just lower risk, especially that support level around 75 and 73 cents. But those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my premium and signal group if you want to become a better trader while also making some profits. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.